Timeline. Yes, Cole? What's a timeline?
It's like when time goes around.
That's right. It's like a sequence of time. Sequence. That's what you're going to do for me now. We're going to do a sequence, and you're going to work as a group with your table. You're going to discuss the items that I'm going to give you. And it's things that we do at certain times of day. And I want you to decide as a group where you should place it on your 24-hour day. Okay? This is Miss Braggins. I like to go fishing at between 4 and 5 o'clock in the morning because fishies get really hungry during that time of day. And then I like to come home and go shopping around 9. Okay? And then I like to go shopping all the way to like about 2 o'clock. And then I like to go fishing again. That's what I like to do. And then I love to walk my dog. And then watch for shooting stars. And then 4th of July, I like to look at fireworks. Now, can I look at fireworks down here at noon?
No.
No, I wouldn't be able to see them in the sky, would I? Because look how high my sun is. Look at my sun. Can you see?
No. I think you have to have it all the way down.
Yeah, absolutely. The sun's got to be down. Over here, what's my sun doing, Felipe?
Going down. It's going down.
Where is it? This is morning, so what's my sun doing? Look at my rays. It's going up. Oh, what's happening to my sun here? It's getting darker. You know how in the evenings it kind of gets dark? It's going down in the evening.
And it's getting orange.
That's right. And 12 o'clock, noon. That's noon. So I'm going to give you some items. I want you to decide as a group where they should go on your timeline. And then each of you can glue something on. Okay? Can you decide as a group? Yes, Miss Braggins, we can decide as a group. Okay?
Yes,
we're going to work this out together. You ready?
And you're going to use your glue sticks, not your bottles of glue.
Yes, we don't need bottle glue.
So
Glue sticks will work just fine.
So everyone's going to be working together on the one strip. So first you're going to cut. So you don't even need your glue sticks right now. Do they need their
No, they're already cut for them. I want them to discuss. I went ahead and did their cutting. I wanted them to discuss together. Felipe, why don't you sit on the other side of Walker? I want y'all to talk about it. Put it down.
Why don't you all get on the same
Lay
side of
them
the
down.
table? Delana and Gracie,
look.
go on the other side.
Lunch, homework, school.
How can I help you?
When would you do that? Here. What would you do? Come over here and stand by Cadence if you want to, so you can see.
Bed.
What would you do then? What would you do then? What would you do then?
Y'all all get up on the same time. Y'all have any yet? She must have the other bag.
This one I knew it.
Okay, here's some more.
You know that.
Looky here. Y'all still got some more to think about. Dinner. When do you eat supper? Oh. This is something for you to decide.
Are not good working. Excitement of coordinating.
That's in day or night.
I mean, I know you.
We're going to do this as a group. You're not in trouble. I want you to all work
Do
together.
this at noon.
Everyone pick up a piece. See,
What do you think?
Here you go. Everyone have one. Now look at your timeline. I want you to decide where your piece needs to go on the timeline, and then I want you to glue it. Okay?
You're not gluing on
Taking
your
it back.
diagram.
Good.
You're gluing on the strip.
Yes. Oh, look at Felipe moving on. This group here is getting it done. They work together. Synergizing. Class. They synergize. Look at the work going on over here. Look at them working together.
We're
Wow.
working together to put them on the strip. Good
Y'all
job.
are
This-
moving
this is
on.
a-
I
you are
like
very
it.
good at this. I
You
will
may
say.
want to look again at one thing, Felipe. Look at your lunch and breakfast. Look at your time of day. Lunch. Breakfast goes before lunch, right? Let's look at these two. Just gonna, there you go. You have to look real close now. Look at the time of day. We got morning, noon, afternoon.
And this is afternoon. Right here. So where is afternoon? Afternoon? Right here.
Good job.
Is this afternoon? No,
You tell me.
Right there. What would be?
You tell me. What does this say? 12, 1 o'clock, 2, 3, 4, afternoon, afternoon.
I thought it would be afternoon.
No, your dinner is not. Where's your dinner go?
That would be
In the night.
Hey, you ripped it.
It's
There's one right
I
there.
didn't. It goes down here.
Right here.
But y'all did very good. Very good.
We're actually done.
Y'all did right.
Send a big ball.
No, that's good.
I love it this way.
It's okay.
That ball
Good job.
extra glued on.
That is a wonderful. You did a great job. Great job.
She's working on it.
And y'all decided? Oh, wow. Y'all did. Okay. I want you to look at this. You're not looking. Morning. Do you have your lunch in the morning?
No.
No. Where would your lunch be?
At 7 o'clock.
When do you eat lunch?
At 3 o'clock. At recess.
That's recess in there. You're right about your playtime. And y'all have school. There you go. There you go. You're right. That's where I would put it, right here. Okay, let him do it. Let him do it. Good job, Brett. Right there at noon. Oh, yes. Okay, homework. Do y'all do homework at 1 o'clock in the morning? There you go. Good job, Brett. It's a very good time. Good job. Yes, baby.
We don't need lunch at the day.
Good job. She takes her bath and goes to bed. Good job. Good job. Good job.
They're supposed to be sleeping over here.
Absolutely right. You'll be sleeping that. You're right. Look and see. It's dark. The sun hasn't come up yet. You did a great job on yours. Yes. Let her glue. Did you do it? Let's go. What do you got going on? Have you finished?
Let's just do
Okay, Gracie. When do you go to school? In the morning? Okay, so your homework doesn't go here, does it? We do homework down in here, don't we? That part of that. Good job, lunch, right at noon. Loving it. Playtime, homework, dinner, watching stars, bed.
We don't have
Y'all did a great job. Good, Gracie.
I did that.
You did a great job of sequencing your day. Oh, I'm loving it. Love it, love it, love it. Is everyone got done over here?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. I love it. Y'all are just working together.
Can I get that sheet to put up with my chart?
Class. Do I have like 5 minutes?
Yes.
Class.
Yes.
Brett, you want to bring it to me?
Yes.
Yes, as a group. Come on. Blue tape. Group. I want you to look at this work. Look at this. Walker, you're yellow. Look at this. They synergized and worked together. Look how they're all up here together. This is what it's all about, working together. They took time. Everybody got to glue and pick something for their day. I'm loving this. I am loving the work. Okay, I'm going to keep this for Miss Lewis, okay? You can have a
We're
seat.
going to put that on the wall with our the chart you had up there.
Okay, yellow, chair, walker, chair. Chair, walker, chair. Felipe?
Come on, Felipe.
He's cleaning. Okay.
We synergize morning, afternoon, and you mean morning? You mean morning? Hey, we explain it with synergizing with all our teams.
Wonderful! I'm excited. They synergized and worked together. And I saw them, and they did. Have a seat. Thank you very much. Red? Blue, yellow, respect, red. They respected you. I saw them. They stood and listened. Jordan, you want to come to just a little bit of the side so they can see?
We synergize together with all of our, with all we can do, and we've done all we could have done, and we synergized it.
They did. They worked together, and they all had a part of this project, and they did a wonderful job. Look, oh, I love it. Lunch, playtime, homework. They got it in there, and their dinner, and they watched for stars. Wow, you did wonderful. You go to bed, you read. Oh, loving it. Breakfast, school. They did 24 hours, and they did it perfectly. Thank you very much. Okay, let me see these. I'm going to hold on for them for you. You have a seat. Green? Okay. Right here. Turn around so they can see you. Turn around so they can see you. Okay, tell me what's going on.
We work together with synergize.
They did. They did a fantastic job. I love it. You did. You all worked together. I like seeing that. I like your group work. Thank you very much. You did a great job. Okay. I'm proud of y'all. You did very good. Okay. Everyone get their paddles in your hands. And look at me.
This is Cadence's.
Walker, look at me. Walker, come here, don't throw it. That's not nice. Ready? I'm going to read a story. I want you to raise up your paddle when I change from day to night or night to day. Let's see. I'm not going to say the word night. I'm not going to say the words day. You're going to have to try to figure this out for yourself. I need all the paddles down. It was still dark outside when his dad packed the car and the family left the house. Woo! I'm loving it. Okay, down. Sammy fell asleep as they drove away from the quiet neighborhood. He woke up once and saw bright headlights. Oh, think again. Bright headlights. Good job, Bailey. Headlights on a car. Woo-hoo. And so he closed his eyes again. When he woke up again, he saw black and white cows in the field and blue bonnets along the side of the road. He can see flowers on the side of the road. What kind of... Good job, good job. Sammy was feeling hungry too, and his mom gave him a sandwich to eat in the car because it was a long trip. When Sammy's family finally got to his grandparents' house, it was time for supper. After they ate, everyone sat on the porch listening to crickets and watching for shooting stars. Sammy took a bath and brushed his teeth, and then he went to bed. Okay, y'all are just smart today. It seemed like he had just closed his eyes when Sammy's grandfather woke him up for an early morning fishing trip. They fished until the sun came up. Then they ate some biscuits that his grandmother had packed in a bag for them. After a while, they began to sweat in the heat. So they took the fish that they caught back to the house to cook for lunch. Good job. I want someone raising their hand and telling me what was one of the cues in my story. What was one of the words that kind of made you know what you needed to do? Flip that. Yes, I didn't say day and night. What other words did I use? You did? Okay. Can you help me, Brooklyn?
You used one of the words about day and night.
I did. Which ones did I use?
One of them was like a day picture, and one of them was
What word would you use?
a night picture.
Well, what was one of the words for night?
One of the words for night was listening for crickets and watching fireworks.
Wow! You were listening. You even heard about the crickets. I like that. Yes, Brent?
You did say one of the words. You said some one
I
time.
did? Wow, you caught me. You caught me. What else did I say?
Night.
That would make you think it was daytime when you held up your paddle.
That lunch. And when you said sun, I raised up my paddle.
You were listening too. Anybody else? Any different words, Corbin?
You used night.
I did. When did I say night?
When they went to bed.
Oh, there you go. Cadence.
Day.
When did I say? What words made you think day and you held up your paddle? What were you thinking?
I held up day when he said when he went fishing.
Good job. I go fishing in the morning, and sometimes it's still dark when I get up.
I got fishing in the night.
You do?
Yeah, because
Okay.
I
Anybody else? One more.
I have a boat that has lights on
Yes, Bailey.
In the day, like you eat lunch and at beginning night eat lunch in the night. Night is only for dinner.
There you go. I did say dinner. They had dinner, didn't I? I want to thank y'all very much. You did a wonderful job. I want the table captains to pick the